Hey guys, so I have packages to open, and so this is a haul. I don't know what's the first package I want to open. Let's do, this is Shein, but let's do this one since this was the one that I got first. This one is for net powder, and this is my invoice, and they give you a label in case you want to return something, but I hope not. So the first item is this Nike leggings, and they are size small. I'm not sure about this color anymore. What do you guys think? It is not black because I have so much black clothes and black leggings. I don't wanna, like, I want some color now. So this is Nike 1, size small. Okay, I'm gonna try it on at the end of the video. This is the Frankie shop in size medium and large. It's like really basic for summer, spring, winter, fall, all year round. This is a Nike sweater. This is medium, but it is oversized. I don't know why, but I live in Wisconsin, so I'm preparing myself for winter. Yeah. And finally, this is the last thing I got. This is another sweater. This is size large, and it is from Nike too. So for this one was $42. This one was $42. This one was $37, I think. Yes, and for the leggings, $36. Everything was on sale. Okay, I'm gonna try it on now. I feel like they are super high rise.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good.
I don't know if I like the sleeves this long. So this is an oversized fit in size large. I really like this one because it's short but not extremely short that I'm gonna be like showing my belly. So it is short but now super short. And I also like this part. Okay, now I'm gonna open this. This one is from Shein. Let's see. I don't even remember what I got. Oh yeah, it's workout clothes. Man, what size is this? It looks so small. Okay, this is size medium. As you can see, it's not super big, it's quite small. It looks fine. Okay. Size large. And these are workout tees. This one, I really like this one. It is quite small. I'm gonna try it on in a little bit. Next, something's cute. This is the prettiest. This is a bandeau top and a bikini. This is really tiny. Wow, so tiny. Okay. Bikini, less tiny than the other one, and top. This is cute. Last one. This is animal print. Top and bikini. What kind of bikini is this? This is so tiny. So tiny. And I don't like it because it's white in here instead of black. I don't know. I don't think I even want to try this on. Okay. I'm not gonna try this on because I just don't like it. Okay. It's like short in here and then round and a little longer in the front. So it's has like meshy fabric in the back. I am gonna keep this one. Yes. This one's a little transparent. But I don't mind. Okay, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna open the other boxes in later. Bye.